Let's explore big data project planning. This presentation will cover how to plan the scope and execute successful big data initiatives. To define the project scope, first identify business goals and challenges. Then determine the data sources and volume involved. Finally, clarify the deliverables and define what metrics will indicate success. To set clear objectives, align with stakeholder expectations, establish a project timeline with clear milestones, and assess the availability of necessary resources. Here's an example of data preparation code. This Python code snippet uses the pandas library to load data from a CSV file, handles missing values by dropping rows with any missing data, and then displays the first few rows of the process dataset. The function loadData takes the file path as an argument, reads the CSV file into a pandas data frame, removes rows with missing values using drop-in with the inplace equals true argument, and returns the clean data. Then the dataset variable is assigned the result of calling the loadData function with the file path data /bigdata_sample.csv. Finally, the head method is called on the dataset and the result is printed, which displays the first few rows of the prepared data. Allocate resources by assigning skilled team members to specific roles, planning the budget and required infrastructure, and determining appropriate data storage solutions. Identify risks by considering data privacy and compliance issues, potential project delays and technical challenges, and scalability and integration risks that could affect the project's success. This is an example of an execution plan snippet. The Python code defines a function named execute pipeline that accepts a list of stages as input. For each stage in the stages list, it prints a message indicating which stage is currently being executed. The intention is that you would add your stage execution logic within this loop. A list of stages is defined including data ingestion, data cleaning, model training, and deployment. Finally, the execute pipeline function is called with this list of stages. Let's discuss the execution timeline. Phase 1 involves data collection and infrastructure setup. Phase 2 includes data processing and analysis. Phase 3 consists of implementation and testing. To effectively monitor progress, track key performance indicators, conduct regular status meetings to discuss progress and challenges, and be prepared to adjust the project scope as needed based on new insights or changing requirements. For review and feedback, collect feedback from stakeholders to understand their perspectives, identify areas for improvement in the project's processes or outcomes, and document lessons learned throughout the project to inform future initiatives. Careful planning of scope, resources, and execution phases paves the way for a successful big data initiative. Continual monitoring and stakeholder feedback ensure alignment and quality delivery. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.